Day 7 of 84. Active Recovery, Weekly Self-Assessment. This is Foundation Phase, Week 1, and today runs about 25 minutes. Let's go through it. Inhibit, 10 minutes, 4 moves. Suboccipital Release, 2 by 60s, extended hold today. Let gravity and time do the work. Upper Trap Ball Release, 2 by 60s per side. Slow, exploratory rolling, no rushing. Thoracic Spine Foam Roll, 2 by 60s. Spend extra time on any segments that still feel stuck. Pec Minor Ball Release, 2 by 60s per side. Gentle pressure. Recovery day means less intensity, more duration. Lengthen, 8 minutes, 4 moves. Doorway Chest Stretch, 2 by 45s, longer hold, deeper relaxation into the stretch. Upper Trap Stretch, 2 by 45s per side. Breathe into the tight side. Hip Flexor Stretch, 2 by 45s per side. Gentle version, no need to push today. Levator Scapulae Stretch, 2 by 45s per side. Slow, sustained hold. Mobility Flow, 7 minutes, 3 moves. Cow, 2 by 10 reps. Slow, breath-linked, flowing. Open Book Stretch, 2 by 8 per side. Let the arm fall open with gravity. Thread the needle, 2 by 6 per side. Explore different angles, reach higher, lower. Posture Checkpoint. Weekly Self-Assessment. Stand in front of a mirror in the same position as Day 1. Note: 1. Ear over shoulder alignment. 2. Degree of upper back rounding. 3. Shoulder position. Take a photo. Journal how your body feels compared to Day 1. Any changes in tension, range of motion, or awareness? That's Day 7 done, 77 to go. Subscribe to follow the rest of the program. And if you'd rather have it timed and counted for you, Posture 12 is free at posture12.com/get.